Have you ever heard that walking after a meal is bad for your health? Well, it turns out that may not be true for everyone. In fact, walking just after a meal can be more effective for weight loss than waiting 1 hour to walk after a meal, as other studies of the past may have suggested. According to a study published in the International Journal of General Medicine, walking just after a meal can help suppress the increase in blood sugar levels that occurs after eating. This is important because repeated hyperglycemia after meals causes insulin resistance, which can lead to weight gain and other health issues. The study involved one 60-year-old Japanese woman and one 67-year-old Japanese woman who walked for 30 minutes after lunch and dinner for a month. The results showed that the author lost nearly 6.6 pounds, which is about 3 kilograms, and the volunteer participant lost nearly 3.3 pounds, which is about 1.5 kilograms during that time. It's important to keep in mind that this study had a very small sample size, with only 2 participants. While the results are promising, it's important to keep in mind that the results of this study may not apply to everyone. However, for those struggling with stubborn weight loss, brisk walking immediately after eating could be worth a try. In conclusion, while this study had a very small sample size and may not be generalizable to everyone, it does provide promising insights into the potential benefits of walking after meals. It's important to take these findings with a grain of salt and consult with your doctor before making any changes to your routine. That being said, for those struggling with stubborn weight loss, brisk walking immediately after eating could be worth a try. Walking is an easy and accessible form of exercise that can be done anywhere, anytime. By doing it immediately after a meal, you're not only burning calories, but you're also helping your body regulate its blood sugar levels, which can have a positive impact on your overall health. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another, so it's important to find an exercise routine that works for you. But if you're looking for an easy and effective way to jumpstart your weight loss journey, consider giving brisk walking after meals a try. And again, always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your exercise routine or diet. If you enjoyed this video, you'll be sure to enjoy this one. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you get notified when I release a new video. Be sure to check out some of the recipes on my channel as well.